Hello everyone, my name is Daniel and I'm a programmer and an artist, and today I'd like to share a quick tip, a new setting that I just discovered that Blender has that somehow I didn't know about. So I figured if I didn't know about it, chances are some of you may know about it and some of you may not. It has to do with environment lighting. You can see here, this scene, I have this rock. It's lit by a single sun lamp that's casting a shadow, but the shadow is really faint, and you can see the lighting is all wrong. The normal map on the material is causing some of this side of the rock here that's facing away from the sun to point enough towards the sun that it gets lit, even though it should be in shadow. And the reason for that is because I have an environment texture on here, and it's actually the environment lighting that's lighting it in that way. However, I don't want to turn the environment lighting all the way off, and I don't want it to be super dim. But if I turn the strength of the environment lighting, the HDRI, up to 1, then the lighting on the shadowed side of the rock is all incorrect. What I discovered you can do is just delete the sun entirely, or you can keep it. You can have as many lights as you want. But in the settings for the world in Blender, if you're using EEVEE, you can check shadow, and then the environment, the HDRI that you're using, will cast a shadow like it was a sunlight. So that's pretty cool. I didn't know that setting existed. Hopefully some of you also didn't know. Otherwise this video is pointless. That's all I've got for this one. Thanks for watching.